guys, I'm so sorry. I've been really busy with my schedule, and so I have been checking on them. I just haven't been making videos, so if that's sorry if y'all but so I'm gonna bring y'all over back to the bush, and we're gonna look at the baby birds. They've grown so much. You can actually, you can't see any more skin, and their beaks are so huge. So let's check them out. And they're in this bush. Not wearing shoes. That should have been. Let's look at the nest for a second. There are like plastic parts. That was actually our plastic part. That was like for Christmas lights, but I'm not complaining to see God's creation. Absolutely adorable with their beaks. Well, not very many things to look at except the babies. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sorry I had to make this video really short, but I gotta go. So, like I said, my schedule has been really busy, and it's muggy out, and it's muddy. It's not the best weather to be out with a camera. So, I will see you guys later in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like, comment down below, and subscribe. Bye, guys.